Hey, my name is Calvin Waite. I trade crypto for a living, and it's time to turn on your inner nerd. So first off, I am not a licensed financial advisor. I don't have any licensing. So this channel has to be taken as watching Calvin trade, his ideas, how things work. So one other thing, this channel is not affiliated with Humble or Blocks or anything else. This is my personal project, and I think there are people that will benefit from it, so that's why I'm doing it. Okay, I have a major announcement. So I'm gonna do videos at least once a week that is for free. I'm gonna explain where we are in the market, where we're headed, what I think is happening, and just do some normal interactions with the market. But I am working on a subscription video channel, and I am opening up my playbook. So you're going to see my live trades. You'll be able to either rejoice with me or be mad at me for winning, or laugh at me, or or deal with the disappointment when things go wrong. And I will show you how a professional trader actually deals with all the emotions in the market. And I'm doing it with my money, live trading. It's going to be awesome. So if you are curious, or if you're interested in seeing somebody actually do trade setups and what I'm doing, this will be interesting. So stay tuned. Here we go. This is what we like to wake up to in the morning. Things are looking pretty awesome right now. Look at that. Perfect. Our line right here, it has held it held support as far as stopping our little downturn for a week or so. We popped up above the 200 weekly, came back down, found the 200 weekly as support, and now we're off to the races. So the best way to look, when we're looking at weekly closes, it doesn't make a lot of sense to be on the daily chart. So let's head over to the weekly and we can zoom in. Just at first glance, I wanted to show you how fast the weekly moves. When we get down into these places and the market makes a decision, these weekly candles really can go quickly, and they don't give you a lot of warning when it comes to candle. Sometimes you'll see these quick ups, quick downs, but things can move fast once the market decides, hey, we're heading a certain direction. And we're kind of seeing this play out. So I'm going to zoom in here so you can see. And this was our first candle where the entire, the open and close was both above the 200 week moving average. So this is a really nice sign of that at least our bottom is most likely in. You can see that we had a really long tail here, but this candle is a bullish doji candle. It's just about as close to dragonfly as you can get. And so this was a perfect close at end of day yesterday. And now we're looking at a brand new week, and what we did is we have the entire body above the 200. So this could be our ticket. So from a weekly standpoint, the target would be our 20, which is 29,000. Our first resistance is at 29.4. So this will continue to fall, but we have a lot of action around 29,000. As far as like the daily channel or the daily indicators, we're playing in our playground between the 50 and 100, and this line is absolutely perfection. I mean, showing 5 days of support and then liftoff is phenomenal. That means this line is going to be important again. So we'll be leaving this on the chart and we'll be watching how that plays out. The best part about this chart right now is that this line is being broken. If we get a close above this line and we can invalidate this first downward trend, I can't tell you what a great thing that would be. If we can, oftentimes if we can get above it, We will have a period where we will need to retest it and find it as support, but then it's over and we're off into the future. So this is a total newbie question. Where's our target? What's the first thing that Bitcoin's going to do from here? The answer is the 100. This is it. This is how this works. We exit the red zone. We finally get above the 50. We try to find the 50 as support at some point. This did not look good, but we managed to get above it, and now we're playing in this zone here. We finally started getting our 50 to curve upwards, and now the next step is to touch the 100. Often we'll come back down and retest the 50, but we don't have to. If there's enough momentum and enough excitement, we can break through and find the 100 as support. Then we'll get our cross. Then our next target is the 200. Just all unravels step by step. So it is just beautiful. Loving the prices and the enthusiasm this morning. The next thing to look at is Ethereum. So Ethereum did exactly break out of the 100, but we had this giant candle, or this trend line that was stopping us. Let me remove this one since it got completely invalidated. This one's served its purpose. But yeah, we have this slope coming down, and we touched it. So it's really cool to see us playing with these little sections. Here's the 100. We came back down, found support on the 20. We broke through the 100, but we found resistance on our trend line. That stopped us for a couple of days. Today we are absolutely going to be breaking this. And the cool thing here is that our price action today already has put in the books a newer high than we've had since the big drop. And there's just a lot at play here, because this right here should have been a significant challenge. Oh, I've got my screen all crooked. But here's this line. So this has kind of caused trouble for us a little bit anyway. So we've really had to fight through a lot of stuff to get to where we are. And this is the breakout. Like, this is it. Like, this is very, very exciting. That if we can break through this, our next stop is right here. I'll plop this guy on here too. So this would be our next target. Ethereum at $2,400. I mean, that's the next target for price action. So when we're looking at pure candles, breaking through this section here, this is where our next resistance would lie. Of course, we have a few things to battle. Just like Bitcoin, once we get above that 100, and now we've established it as support. I mean, this is picture perfect. I can't tell you how beautiful this is. The next step is to go find the 200, and it's well above 2,000. So I hate to be like that, but I actually did buy some Ethereum at 950. So it's already, we're getting close to doubling that from a pure price perspective. Things are just beautiful this morning. I have 3 coins that are up over 100% already. And I can't wait to show you guys how this is all possible. It's going to be so cool. I can't tell you how excited I am for my subscription channel. It's really fun to talk about it and see the trends, watch it all play out. But to be able to show you what I'm doing and trading, it is going to be really cool. All right, so let's talk about a trade that I did make. So I told you guys publicly on my first video, or one of the first ones, that I had bought SHIB. And the reason why I bought SHIB was because it hadn't shown us a good buy-in for its entire history. Like I didn't see the buy, and this was too fast. Like I missed this and didn't care because it was a meme coin, and I had, I mean, there was no strong reason to be following the coin that's as young as this. But this was our first exit of the red zone, and so it's becoming interesting again to me finally. And we have all of these points of resistance where we were pushed down. We found support off of the 50. We got rejected off the 100, but the 100 is falling fast. And we had a close right around here where we're buttoned up against the 100. We're about to get our cross, and it's time to buy. So I bought in. If we get a close above this line, I told you before that this was a 50% trade. It was 68% is on the table for this trade. So yeah, things are looking pretty nice. I would not be surprised to see this happen. When things get going, things can happen quickly. I could see this happening in the next month or so. But yeah, pretty cool. This trade for me, let's see. It is up 28% this morning. So my trade is killing it. It's looking really nice. Just a good day. I hope you guys are enjoying this. There's a lot more upside to go. There's, Ethereum. If you're not in, there's a lot of levels to go, and long term, Bitcoin and Ethereum are just getting started. So I hope you follow along, and I hope we can all make some money together and be awesome. Thanks for making it to the end of my video. So just remember, keep your trade small, be patient, wait for the trade to come to you. Don't get caught up in all of the hype. You guys are gonna kill it.